What do I need to set up my trailer? This question can seem very daunting to someone who is just starting out. There are so many items/variations of items that are required to work in unison to put it all together, and it can be confusing to come to a conclusion as to what is right for you. This is the first video in a series of videos that is going to take a look at what you need to set up your trailer. Today we're talking about everything needed to connect your trailer to your truck. Let's get started. First things first, you want to check what type of hitch you have on your vehicle. You want to measure the size and fit so that when it comes to finding your ball mount, it'll be a lot easier. Depending on what type of vehicle you have, you might have a class 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 hitch. This class system typically refers to the size and weight capacity of the hitch you have. The measurement is taken from this point on your hitch. The length and width should be the same, as it should be a square. The class system is a very good way to shop for ball mounts and hitches. However, it is always important to check the weight capacities on any product that you buy, making sure that they're all compatible. Another thing that you want to take a look at is the weight capacity of the hitch on your vehicle. This will also give you an indicator into how you can select the proper trailer ball. Alright, now that you've recorded your hitch size and your weight capacity, let's go find a ball mount. Here in front of me are the different type of ball mounts that we offer here at Dynaline. These come in a variety of shapes and purposes, so let's go over these in detail and find out which one is right for you. What is a rise and drop ball mount? Your ball mount is the piece that connects your trailer to your tow vehicle, but not all vehicles and trailers sit at the same height. That's where rise and drop come in. If your trailer sits higher or lower than your vehicle's hitch, you may need a ball mount that compensates for the difference to keep everything level. That's called the rise or the drop. So now we ask the question, how do you figure out how much rise or drop that you need? Well, it's actually really easy. Measure from the ground to the top of your vehicle's hitch receiver. Measure the ground from the bottom of the trailer coupler when the trailer is level. Subtract the trailer height from the hitch height. If your hitch is higher than your trailer, you'll need a drop. If your trailer is higher, you'll need a rise. Example, if your hitch is 20 inches and your trailer coupler is 16, that's a 4-inch drop. It's relatively easy math, but it makes a huge difference. A level setup means safer towing, smoother handling, and even less wear on your tires and your suspension, which we know can be very expensive. Alrighty, now that we have that out of the way, let's go over some of our fixed ball mounts. If you already know your trailer height and it stays consistent, Dynaline has a full line of solid steel ball mounts in different drops and rises. You'll find 2-inch, 4-inch, and even 6-inch options depending on what you're hauling. The bottom line, if your trailer height stays consistent, these are the perfect option for you. Next up, we have adjustable ball mounts. Now these are perfect if you need something that's flexible or if you're switching trailers with different heights. Not only that, but this one comes with a flippable dual ball setup, meaning that you can haul different trailers with the same ball mount, making it super convenient and easy to use. This one is a beast. It's CNC machined aluminum and is super heavy duty. It comes with dual balls and can handle up to 10,000 pounds gross trailer weight. You can adjust the height in seconds without any tools, which means no guessing or swapping out mounts. Whether your trailer sits high or low, this one's ready for anything. If you need a set and forget it solution, the fixed ball mount is your best option, but if you need flexibility, the adjustable ball mount is the perfect product for you. We have both options here at Dynaline, so whatever setup you have, we have you covered. Next up, let's talk multi-headed ball mounts. These things are exactly what they sound like. These ones come with more than one trailer ball built in. These are easy to use because all you have to do is rotate it when you're swapping trailers or loads. Instead of swapping out ball mounts every time you switch trailers, you just rotate the head and you're good to go. So here's the question, why would you choose this one over a traditional drop and rise ball mount? Well, you would choose this multi-ball mount if you tow trailers with different coupler sizes but they all sit at the same or similar height, and you would skip if your trailer sits significantly higher or lower than your hitch. In that case, a rise/drop or adjustable ball mount will keep your trailer level and safe. It's honestly all about what you're towing. One size doesn't fit all, however, this one is pretty close. It's important to mention that sometimes you will need to buy a mount with a trailer ball of a different size. Thankfully, you can buy a trailer ball separately from your ball mount. The general rule is to make sure your coupler and trailer ball are size compatible, and that all weight capacities line up correctly. Make sure to always check the weight capacities of every product that you're buying and make sure that they all line up. Let's talk about couplers now. After you've settled for a ball mount, it's time to look at a coupler. A trailer coupler is the part that locks onto your hitch ball. It's the connection point that holds your trailer to your tow vehicle. The inside of the coupler clamps around the hitch ball, and a latch or pin keeps it locked in place. It's super simple, however it's really important. It's the link between your load and your ride. Here at Dynaline, we have two types of couplers. We have our straight tongue coupler and we have our A-frame coupler. This is the straight tongue style, designed for trailers with a straight drawbar tongue. You will typically find these on small utility trailers, boat trailers, and general purpose rigs. These ones feature a bolt-on design and a durable zinc coating for corrosion resistance. These are perfect for lighter duty trailers that don't require an A-frame design, and it's quick to install and easy to latch. Next up, we have our A-frame coupler, made to fit the V-shape of an A-frame trailer tongue. It's got a weld-on design, it supports heavier loads than a straight tongue, and it's got an integrated jack mounting hole. These are super common on cargo trailers and campers. They spread the load over a wider base, and they typically have a jack mounting point, making it easier to work with. So how do you pick which couplers for you? Well, it all depends on what you're towing. Here's a diagram for reference. If you're hauling a small utility trailer, a straight tongue is usually recommended. If you're hauling a cargo or RV trailer, an A-frame is usually the way to go. And if you're doing heavier loads, an A-frame is usually always preferred. If your trailer has a straight bar tongue, go with this coupler. If it has a V-shaped frame, the A coupler is all yours. Before hitting the road, it's always good to ensure that your trailer ball is connected to the coupler properly and that there's no leeway in between these two components. If it's too loose or it's too tight, that's a recipe for problems. Peace of mind goes a long way at 100 kilometers per hour, especially on these Canadian highways. Final takeaway. Alright, so that's everything you need to set up your trailer for reliable and safe towing. On screen now, I will place a chart with everything we discussed today. Feel free to pause or screenshot this page for future reference. At Dynaline, we have everything you need to build a strong and reliable towing setup. Everything we have is made to last because when it comes to getting it done, second best isn't an option. Check out our full lineup of towing gear at www.dynaline.com or talk to your local supplier to find the right fit for your trailer. If this video helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and give us a comment and tell us what you're hauling this summer. Also, let us know what you guys would like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya, and get it done.